All right, guys, quick sheet metal tip for you today. So let's go ahead and open this part up. It's got some edge flanges on it. I want to make sure real quick before I go to my drawing that my cutlass is up to date. And it looks like it is. Got a cutlass item. So let's go ahead and make our drawing. And let's go with a B size. And I'm going to go ahead and grab my flat pattern feature. When you're placing views here, if you want to change the rotation, you can always just come up to the heads up display and you can use this rotate option and then just click and drag. That's not the tip for today, but that's something I always do. A lot of people rotate the views using other methods, but let's go ahead and also reuse one of those tips I showed you guys a couple of weeks ago or a couple of days ago. I'm going to use my model items to bring my dimensions in, and I'll use Control A here to auto arrange them. All right, there's some duplicate dimensions there that we could get rid of. So hold Control, just delete those. And I could clean this up more, but I'm going to go ahead and just right click. And what I wanted to show you today was if you go down to annotations, you can insert those cut list properties directly from the part. It has things like the length, the width, the thickness of the part, all the things that we want to show for manufacturing is easily available here. So hopefully this helps you guys out.